In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in Canva. Strike through is a simple yet effective text formatting tool that adds a line through the center of your text, often used to indicate that something is incorrect or outdated, or just for stylistic purposes. Whether you're crafting a presentation, a social media post, or a graphic design project, knowing how to apply strike through can enhance your ability to create visually striking and clear messages. First things first, let's make sure you've got Canva open and are signed in. If you're new to Canva, head over to their website and create a free account. Once that's done, let's dive into the task at hand. Begin by opening the design project where you want to add the strike through text. It could be anything from a flyer to a social media post. Now locate the text area you wish to modify. When you hover over the text box, click on it to highlight it for editing. After clicking on your text, direct your attention to the toolbar that appears at the top of the screen. This toolbar contains a variety of text formatting options. Look specifically for the strike through icon, which typically looks like the letters S with a line through it. If you're having trouble spotting it, it's positioned among other text style options such as bold and italics. Click the strike through icon to apply the effect to your selected text. Instantly you'll notice a line appear through your text, signaling that the strike through style has been successfully applied. It's important to note that if you ever want to remove the strike through, simply select the text again and click the strike through icon once more. This will toggle the effect off, returning your text to its original state. It's a straightforward feature, yet highly effective for making content corrections or visual statements. Additionally, here's a quick tip: if you want to apply strike through to only a portion of the text rather than the entire text box, just highlight the specific words or sentence you wish to alter. After highlighting, click the strike through icon and the line will appear only through the selected text, giving you greater control over the appearance of your design. And there you have it. You've learned how to add and remove the strike through effect to your text in Canva. Remember, mastering these simple techniques can greatly enhance the quality of your visual content, giving you more versatility and creativity in your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.